How's it going?
How's the weather?
How's it going, Megan?
It's going quite well, thank you.
That's awesome. Same here.
I can't do this.
You can do this, Megan. You can do this.
I can't do it. I can't do this, man. I can't do this.
Yes, you can. Twice.
Hello, people of YouTube. How are you today?
Twice. And yes, my hair is a mess. Twice.
Did you just wake up or something?
Yes, I just did. What is the best view?
I took a shower when I woke up, and then I ate lunch.
You ate lunch?
I told you I ate lunch.
Sorry, I couldn't understand you.
I had soup for lunch.
Awesome.
Isn't it though? It was Italian wedding style soup.
Nice.
What do you have?
I have hams and broccoli.
What's exactly?
Yes, broccoli.
What about vodka? Did you have any vodka?
No,
Why not?
I don't drink.
Well then, you're an innocent little girl, aren't you?
Yes.
So Vienna, is it a vagina looking frenzy?
Yes.
Sorry people, we just listened to the song Dusty made. What's it called?
Dang it.
I wanna play my Zelda game.
See soon.
Okay, bye YouTube, my tongue hurts.
My too. Bye.